Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious barbecue sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of quality ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. These foundational elements are key to a rich, balanced flavor profile. Now, let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a medium saucepan. Give everything a good stir to combine it well, ensuring all the spices are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. We want to bring this to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully without scorching. Continue to simmer your barbecue sauce gently for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. This simmering time is crucial for developing those deep, complex flavors. Taste the sauce and adjust seasonings as needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or a dash of cayenne pepper for a little kick. It should thicken slightly, coating the back of a spoon. Once your delicious barbecue sauce has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This step is important for both safety and flavor development. Once cool, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will keep well for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your next meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.